So welcome back. In this video, we'll be going through the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So I've gotten mine in the awesome graphite color. And so let's just see how it looks like taken out of the box. So let me start by opening the seal. And then here you have it. The first thing that you see when you open the box is the A56 5G. So here it is, the awesome graphite color. You can even see that they've changed how it looks like. It now has a glass cover at the back, and then it even has a different camera bump. And then at the top, you have this box here. Then you have the SIM ejector tool. Let's open this box up. Then inside, we have the paperwork and the charging cable. Here you have it, the charging cable. It's just a standard Type-C to Type-C cable. And then the paperwork. So those are the things that are added in this small box. Let's just take a closer look at the A56 5G. So again, awesome graphite color, glass back. Let's unpeel this. And that is how the phone looks like. So stick around for more videos on the Galaxy A56 5G. Thanks for watching. If you have any more comments about the build that you've just seen on the A56 5G, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.